everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to change the negative numbers into positive numbers in Excel. I'll show you 3 different amazing ways on how you can do this, so make sure you stick around and watch each one of them to diversify your knowledge in Excel. The first way is multiplying your values with -1. So key in -1 in any of the cell and press enter. Then select the value and press Ctrl C to copy. Then highlight all the negative values, and once you're done, right click, then go to paste special. Then under operation, click multiply. So if you want the formats to remain, click on formulas and number formats and then click OK. So you can see our values have been converted to positive in the same column. So let's undo this and go to the second method. So the second method is using the flash fill feature. So what you need to understand is that for this method to work, you have to input your values in the column adjacent to the column that has the negative values. So in the first cell, put in the first value as a positive, which is 30, and then press enter. After that, press Ctrl plus E on your keyboard, and there you go. So you can see the values have been converted to positive. The third method is using the ABS function or formula. So what you need to do is to put your cursor where you need to convert the values, and then press equal sign on your keyboard, then type ABS, and once the formula pops up, double click on it, then select the value that you need to convert, then close the brackets and press enter. So you can see our value has been converted into positive. To convert the rest of the negative values, select the cell, and then on the lower right edge, put your cursor there, right, and then double click. So that's it about converting negative values into positive using 3 different amazing ways. If you found this tutorial quite helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.